Nongpoh MLA Meral Bond Syiem today urged Bindas Syiem to withdraw her hunger strike, which started from yesterday at Secretariat Shillong. Speaking to the press, he said that the status of the road is under process, and he urged the people of Umden areas and all the villages to be patient. He further said that the project is under the pipeline and waited for funding from the Ministry of Donor.
I would like to request citizens to be patient. This is the project which is under the pipeline. It is under process. The concept paper, the DPR, from the Ministry of Donor, the funding we are awaited from the Ministry of Donor for around 20 kilometers, which before it was 10 kilometers, but recently we had a review that it will be up to Umden, the intermediate lane, for the first phase. And my request to Bindas Syiem to withdraw her hunger strike. She has been there in additional secretariat since yesterday. My humble request is that to be patient. Even to her also I express my sincere thanks, and to the people who went there to be with her, to accompany also, I express my sincere thanks. But my sincere request is that to please withdraw the hunger strike.